All right, guys, we are throwing the football jig with a craw and a purple Fat Juicy. I call it the FC, the Fat J. I put on the Fat J purple, the Fat J Juicy on a Ned Rig crappie lure. That's awesome, right? That's some good brainstorming. So we are about to get popping. We grabbed the goodie bag. We're gonna serve these fish up real sauce and real nice. We're gonna start parallel to the bank here. The first runner-up is the craw. Perfect for this time of year. Throwing that nice craw, because we're gonna crawl our way to a enormous bass. We're gonna get it popping real quick. Last time I fished this place was like 2 years ago, and I pulled out a 6-pounder in the winter. It was ginormous. I tell you, it was big. It just had nothing but gut, big bass. We're gonna football our jig. We're gonna football jig our way to a ginormous hang up. All right, I'm gonna try to retrieve that. And in the process, I'm gonna throw the Big Juicy, the BJ, the Big Juicy. All right. We're gonna throw what gets them. Oh, buddy. This line looks horrific. We untangle it, dangly, this line, and get back to popping. This line was looking a mess, a hot mess. And I got both. Okay, no. I have both of my lures tangled. Yeah, almost in the same area. That was awesome. That was just complete awesomeness there. All right, this is not working. Throw a little bit further away from the bank. There we go. No rocks on that one. pop our way to a big monster. There's some big boys in this small little neighborhood pond. It's some monsters in here. And some smallmouth. Mixture of bass and smallmouth. I haven't been here, like I said, in like 2 years. I would come here during the winter time and just fish it. It used to be a little place just to pop in, spend some time, and juice it. All right, I'm gonna work our way around this bank and keep popping. See if we can pop up out this bad boy. Let's see how this is floating, this speed. All right, it's not that bad. Gotta do some light jerks, so. Oh, let me retrieve my football jig. Alrighty, come here, buddy. Come here, little rod. Oh, my rod's stuck now. Oh my. One end, the jig is stuck, and the one end, the rod is stuck. Some double stuck action. All right. Let's try to get this jig out the water, because I've only got 2 jigs. There we go. I saved my jig. Darn, Jim. And we are going to continue throwing a jig now. Oh. Whack a damn split the middle. I'm gonna work this crawl jig and hook a ginormous fish. That means a very big fish.